Hey, how you doing today? My name is Kris from Smokey Joe's Barbecue.
I'm Nolan Belcher with B4BBQ.
And today we are going to show you how to feed
1,200 people
in less than 2 hours.
You ready?
Y'all ready?
Let's
you
get
ready?
it, bro.
Let's get it, man. Let's go, bro. We're leaving at 8, y'all. We're gonna be loading in the car at 7:55, 7:50. What time is it now? 7:50?
Shit, 7:40.
Oh, let's go ahead and get in the car now. Yeah, put it right here. You right this time. Yeah, you right. Yeah. Put in each one. Just one. Take the top off. Put some gloves on. That's good right now, Kelly. Put it over there. I need it. All right, brother. So let's show them what we got going today. Let's walk them through on how to do this in less than 2 hours.
All right. So we're gonna have 1,200 people coming in. They're gonna start on that end. We're gonna start one long line. Once they hit us, they're gonna split off into 2 lines. So we're gonna start brisket, pulled pork, beans, more beans, potato salad. They're gonna hook around. They're gonna get their bread, their silverware. They're gonna cut back up. Drinks and coolers are out there, and they will seat themselves.
All right, so we got 25 pans of potato salad, 25 pans of beans, and I don't even want to get into the briskets or the pulled pork, but we got enough to feed 1,200 people. Then over here, we got the pickles, sweet and spicy pickles to be exact. We got sweet and spicy pickles over here with the onions. We got the B4BBQ sauce, kind of duplicating itself. And then over here, we got the same kind of setup. We're gonna be doing 3 lines over here. With the 3 lines, we're planning to knock these people out quick. Me and Nolan came up with a great mastermind program on how to get these people fed quick. And the goal is to knock it out. So we're gonna try to feed them all seamlessly. That's the goal today.
All right, guys, we got everybody knocked out. We actually did 1,200 people in 33 minutes. Now we're gonna knock out all the law enforcement. Follow me. So that's pulled pork, that's brisket, there's potato salad, and beans. Your partner told me to come take care of you, boss man. So we got brisket, pulled pork, beans, potato salad. I sauced the meat for you. There's 2 buns, okay? Yes, sir. Is there any more officers up here? Yeah. Just one? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go grab another plate. I'll take it. Okay, thanks. Hey, honey, will you go grab me a barbecue sauce up there, please? Just do it one big, huge one. That's fine. A little bit more. That right there is what we served today, guys. So we had pulled pork, brisket, potato salad, beans. We're gonna go grab a bun right now, then we're gonna go feed the last law enforcement officer here. This is my beautiful mother-in-law, Emma. She always comes out and helps us out. We're running plates to all the law enforcement now. We got beans, potato salad, pulled pork, brisket, buns, barbecue sauce. I already got your partner over here taken care of and the guy up front, okay? All right, guys, that was a lot. As you can see, there's a lot of people here. As you can see, guys, everybody loves the barbecue today. Thank you, sir. So the one thing that I requested for this catering was Kris to bring me some of his homemade sweet potato casserole. I can eat a whole pan of this stuff by myself. So, for you guys that don't know, Smokey Joe's sweet potato salad is life. I'm gonna give him a kiss later. It's hot, buddy. It's hot. Don't do that tongue shit. Here. You freak.
All right, y'all. The magic has just happened, and we are wiped out. You know, but no, what was the time today? What was the time?
Honestly, bro, I'm like mind blown. So we did 1,200 people in 32 minutes.
32 minutes is the time.
We were trying to crush 2 hours.
We're looking for the Guinness World Record right now.
For sure.
But we got it done. We got it done. So everything went smooth. If you ever need somebody to feed mass volumes, B4, Smokey Joe's, we're your guys.
The best duo in Texas barbecue right here.
Best thing coming.
1,200 people, 32 minutes. We can do it.
Put your inquiry for either one of us, man. We'll get y'all taken care of.
Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. Click like and subscribe.
Subscribe.